Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Mazda CX-5 front bumper. First, open your hood and carefully remove the two clips holding the hood latch cover in place. Next, you'll find 4 screws and 4 plastic clips securing the upper part of the bumper around the radiator grille. Remove these. Always remember to disconnect your negative battery cable for safety before beginning any work. Now, let's move underneath the vehicle. You'll need to remove about 10 screws and 2 clips that secure the lower part of the bumper to the protective trim and wheel arches. Gently bend the protective trim down and remove 2 more clips. Then, turn your front wheels inward to give yourself better access to the wheel well area. Continuing in the wheel wells, locate and remove 2 clips on each side that hold the wheel arch extensions. Carefully release the front section of these extensions by pulling them outwards, starting from the bottom. Underneath each extension, you will find 1 screw and 2 more clips that need to be removed to fully free the bumper's sides. Before completely removing the bumper, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights, parking sensors, or headlight washers. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any remaining wires or hoses to avoid damage as you carefully detach the entire front bumper assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.